Hey, John Wilson here from highticketaffiliatecoach.com and welcome to this video on ThriveCart Integrations. So we're going to cover all the ThriveCart integrations that there are, and in just a moment I'm going to show you some awesome bonuses I have for you if you purchase ThriveCart through my link in the comments or description below this video. And while you're there, if you like videos about online business, be sure to subscribe and smash that like button. So just a tiny bit of background, I've used ThriveCart as the backbone for a book funnel, a digital course funnel, a SaaS funnel, a coaching funnel, in 2 different niches, and done multiple 6 figures in sales with it. And I love the software. So let's dive straight into the content. So here we are inside of ThriveCart. To go to the integrations, you just go click on the little menu at the top there, go to settings. And in here, we click on View Integration. So at the moment, obviously this is subject to change. They're adding new stuff all the time. But at the moment, we've got integration with Stripe, PayPal, Authorize.net. This one is ActiveCampaign, Aweber, ConvertKit, Drip, InCharge, GetResponse, HubSpot, Infusionsoft, MailChimp, MailerLite, MooSend, Ontraport, Sendy, DAP, Digital Access Pass, Lifter, LMS, MemberMouse, MemberPress, Optimize Member, Teachable, Thrive Apprentice on Thrive Themes, Wishlist, Wishlist Member, Demio, Disc.com, Kunaki, Lulu, Printful, Shippo, ShipStation, Shopify, Vervante, Google Sheets, Slack, Quaderno, and Zapier. And Zapier is your go-to. If I've not mentioned what you want to integrate with, then Zapier is what you would use to integrate with that, because just about everything is covered by Zapier. So any questions about any of that, drop a comment below and I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. And yeah, my story was I originally got ThriveCart because I needed to set up funnels to sell my digital course quickly, and I didn't have time to mess about with complicated tech stuff. Also, one of the main things that sealed the deal for me was that ThriveCart is an affordable one-time payment and not a monthly charge. ThriveCart's main competitor charges up to $300 per month for similar software. So if you decide to pick up ThriveCart today through my link in the comments or the description below this video, then I'll give you access to a couple of free exclusive bonuses to a value of $1,497. So here's what I've got for you. We have the digital course formula, and this is a full digital course by myself. It's a $997 value, and this will show you how to turn a skill or passion into an income by creating and launching a digital course. So if you're going to be using ThriveCart to create your own digital products, then this is a must-have, I would say. And I'll show you everything from A to Z in terms of creating your course and producing it and defining your audience and the title of it, how to price it and all the rest of it, even how to sell your course before you've even created it, or how to get someone else to make your course for you. And this is the second bonus. It's a $500 value, and this is the 24-hour ranking system. And this will show you how to rank your videos at the top of Google and YouTube in 24 hours. And this is going to be the absolute best way to get buyers for your course or your digital product, your coaching, your consultancy for free. So just to recap, you're going to get the digital course formula, that's a $997 value, and the 24-hour ranking system at a $500 value. And you'll find the link to check out ThriveCart in the comments or the description below this video. And if you're not quite ready yet, if you want to get more of a taste of what ThriveCart can do, then I have a free 10-part email course on how to publish your digital course, digital product, and also sell more of it. And you can find the link for that in the comments or the description below this video. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time. I'll see you next time. God bless.